Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat. Now you may have seen this around Facebook recently, and it claims to do everything and more. We're gonna test it against Ethos Defy and see who comes out on top. So what we're gonna do is we properly prep this panel with our detox spray. Now our detox is a preparation cleaner which removes any oils or residues that could mask or inhibit any of the results of either of these products. So we're gonna do a tape line down the middle here. We're gonna apply our Ethos Defy on this side and our Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat on this side and see which one wins. Nice and even coverage, just like that. This stuff smells amazing. All right, we're gonna do one coat here. You can do more coats if you want more protection, but I don't wanna waste your guys' time. We're gonna use Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat on this side. Take another microfiber towel here. Little streaky. Okay, there we go. Now they're both applied. Let's see which one beads water better. So the Shine Armor side, you can already see, doesn't bead water nearly as well as the Ethos Defy side. So let's go ahead and take some cleaner to it and see just how durable that is. So this is our Dawn solution. We use 15 drops in a 32-ounce bottle. This basically is just gonna test the resiliency of the coating itself. It should be able to withstand a cleaner like this. You know, and if it doesn't, most likely the product is not ceramic like it claims. All right, we're gonna take a little wash mitt to it here. Same with the other side. We're gonna rinse it off. Let's see who wins. Oh no, cover your eyes. No. Well, look at that, guys. One wash and Shine Armor is gone. Whereas the Defy with the Insta-Bond Technology, I mean, come on. Didn't even touch it. Let's do another one. Same solution, same wash process. Let's see which one comes out on top. Another little agitation with the wash mitt. Now this is torture testing, guys. I don't recommend you wash your car with Dawn solution. This is just meant to expedite the process of showing you which one is a better formula. Well, what do you think? Or, how about this? I don't know, it's pretty clear to me which one seems to be perform better. And the reason for that is our proprietary Insta-Bond technology. Now the Insta-Bond bonds to the surface instantly, creating an instantly slick, smooth, shiny appearance while giving you better performance and better durability. So check out Ethos Defy today and don't waste your time and money on products that do not live up to their claims.